Helicopters, the backbone of search and rescue, medevac, defense, disaster response, and so much more. When speed, precision, and mobility count, helicopters deliver. But everyone knows, no blades, no mission. And those blades? Well, they can be worth hundreds of thousands each. Protecting them isn't optional. It's mission critical. Traditional wooden blade cases, they can't handle forklifts, bad weather, or constant vibration. That means operators replace them every few weeks, which wastes a lot of time, money, and resources. And that's where Americase makes the difference. Our custom-engineered, long-lasting aluminum blade cases stand up to drops, forklift hits, corrosion, and more. Efficient and easy to use, our rugged aluminum cases secure up to 6 blades, with modular foam inserts to absorb vibration, gas shocks for easy handling, forklift pockets to streamline operations, and built-in kick plates to protect against forklift damage. They're durable, protective, and sustainable. For one major OEM, switching to Americase cut $4,000 in container replacements every 2 weeks. Multiply that across a fleet, and the savings add up fast. Most importantly, blades arrive intact and ready to fly. Americase blade cases are strong enough for the mission and smart enough to keep costs grounded. Connect with us today to partner with Americase to deliver mission-critical helicopter blade cases you can trust.